create. And what we're going to do is add Slack messages that we star to Todoist as tasks. Pretty simple zap, but very effective to make it easy to add tasks into our to-do list. So without further ado, let's jump in and create this zap. So we're here at the home page in Zapier, looking at all the other zaps that I've created. We're going to go ahead and click Make a Zap at the top. The very first thing we're doing is setting up a trigger, right? The trigger we want is new starred messages in Slack. So we'll go ahead and click Slack. The event is new starred message. Easy enough. We'll click Continue. This is where we just need to select the right account that we're looking at. I've got it right here. We'll click Continue. So this is where we're looking for a message that we've recently starred. So I went into our Slack channel and starred this message. So if we go back here and click Test and Review, hopefully that will populate. And it looks like it sure did. Here's the text of that message. And we can see here in Slack, there's the text right there. Perfect. So it is capturing the data correctly. So we'll select that sample and we are done with the trigger. Super simple to set up. The next step is to add a task in Todoist. So we're going to search for Todoist. And the action event we want is simply create task. We'll click Continue. We'll go ahead and sign in to Todoist. I've already signed in, so it just populates this screen. I click Agree. Boom. There we have it. We'll click Continue. This is where there's a little bit of setup. We need to tell Zapier which project to add a task to. We have a project named Slack Items, and we can see that I have a little extension that I'm clicking here in my Chrome browser, and you'll see that Slack Items is a project that I've created. So we selected that. The title of the Slack item, let's see, I don't know if we want the full text, right? Because that is a lot. But I'm trying to think what would be good for a title here. We don't want everything to be included, but why not? Let's just go ahead and click the text as the title. The note could be the link to the actual message in Slack. The date, let's just say it's due today, so whenever it's added, it'll do on that day, and that looks good. So we'll click Continue. Now we've got everything set up. We can run a test. Let's go ahead and do that. Awesome. Sent successfully. Let's go ahead and click the extension in my browser, and we can see here, wow, there it is. Has the text of that message from Slack with the link. Perfect. It looks like the notes it's a premium feature, so we'll just skip over that. Once we're done, we'll just click Done Edit, or Done with Editing. We'll give a name, Starred Slack to Todoist, and we'll turn it on. Oop, little misspelling there. No big deal. There we go. Okay, and it's done. Easy as that. So now